What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I decided to do a review. I picked up some Wizards tire in vinyl shine for interior, exterior. This product is a spray on easy applicating product. You can use it on your tires as a tire shine, on plastic trim to revive the plastic trim, also plastic pieces inside the car. I kind of just picked this up because I really love Wizards bug release. It's probably my favorite detailing product just because it does a great job at separating dirt from paint, bugs from paint, guck from paint, rubber from, you know, if you're doing burnouts, anything like that. I love that product, so I decided to try some more things with the Wizard lineup, starting with the tire in vinyl shine with UV protection. It's a dressing and coating or protectant. Won't sling off the tires, anti-static, won't attract dust, and it gives it a new natural look. For tires, it says the best results apply 1 to 2 applications of this thing. So do a spray it down, let it sit for a little bit, then spray it again. I'll show you guys how I do that with this Adams pad or tire applicator, dressing applicator in a second. And you can do additional coats to make it a little bit glossier without the oily sling. So I'm going to go ahead and try it on my GT350R Pilot Cup Sport 2 tires. Currently VRT vinyl and rubber trim is my favorite tire dressing that I've ever used, but you know, I am a car enthusiast, detail enthusiast, so I'm willing to try some new products. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this Wizards tire in vinyl shine right now on this 350R tire. Pretty much what I'm gonna do is open it up and I'll just give a couple sprays. Maybe it's got a better spray for, nope, just on and off. All right, so I'm gonna give it a couple sprays, maybe I don't want to get it on the wheel, and just give it a back and forth. Let's see what it does. So that was 2 sprays. Yeah, ooh, really good smell. Wow, you guys know me and I love smells, like really good smelling products. Do it around. You can kind of see the difference. So there's the part that hasn't been shined and this part has. Yeah, I mean, as of right now, it's a really nice, slick, slate, kind of, you know, brand new tire finish. What I will do is, on the second coat of this, I will back the car out. Just so my biggest pet peeve is when people forget to get that bottom piece right there. Right now, I mean, it looks really good, really fast to dry. I mean, no sling really. Really easy to apply. Let's go ahead and move to the front tires. Also make sure your tires are clean when doing this. And just give it a couple sprays. And then just put it right on there. I memean, that's really easy to apply. I really like this product. Has a great smell to it, really clean, like, I don't really know how to explain it, but a very pleasant smell. As you guys can see, the, you know, the difference, what's been, you know, what I've gone over and what I haven't. I also like to do a little spray on the tops, on the top here, just to get in that, that lip area right in here, and just put that in. Just go right around with that. Get it up here. Very easy to apply. A little bit of excess there. Go around with the dry end. Oh, you could get in there. yeah, I mean, that's a really nice finish. Let's go look at the back as we'll apply a second coating on this in a moment. But yeah, I mean, really nice finish on this. Really pleased with the finish so far. I mean, the side of my bar, this is like a plastic vinyl. I could do this with a rag just to give you guys a demonstration. Let me grab one of my handy dandy microfibers. I have like just packs and packs of these things. It's always good to have a lot of these. But yeah, it says to, let's see what it says about the vinyl. Oh, sorry. What did it do with vinyl? Directions: shake bottle, lightly formula doubles as an interior detailer or for dash seats and trim, as well as the exterior bumper extensions, vinyl tops, tires, weather stripping, while forming a dry shield protecting against ultraviolet rays and color distortions. Directions: shake bottle, applicator bed, spread out on wet, even applicator for full application, even more gloss, spray directly on the surface and allow soaking, then wipe evenly with foam applicator pad. Okay. For best results, pre-clean if necessary, never apply over a heavily soiled surface or a greasy silicone tire dressing. Use Wizard's Power Clean for a quick clean before application. Well, I didn't do that. I actually don't use real tire dressings. I like VRT, which doesn't have that nasty film, leaves that nasty film on your tires. But I can actually, no, I don't want to use this applicator. I'll just use this rag. But I'm gonna go ahead and give it a spray. All right, and then we'll kind of just wipe it in there, nice and easy. Yeah, oh, you can actually tell a really good difference. Oh, door's locked. But yeah, I'd say that's a nice slick finish. Not a huge difference, as I already had something applied to this, but I would say it's really nice. I really like it. I'm really pleased with the results on the tire. This will be a great, I think it's just as good as VRT. I'll have to go back and see how expensive this product was again, but as of right now, I think it's just as good. I know VRT, this thing can last for months, so I'm not sure yet. I'll have to do some more testing. This is my first time using the product. But let me back the car out, get the other side, and then apply a second coating onto this guy. I'll get the keys and do that. All right, guys, so here's the passenger side front tire. Once again, just spraying down the applicator pad a little bit. And then, oh, look at that. I mean, it goes on so easily. Really happy with this thing. Oh. And then, since I moved the car, I will go back and do the other side for the second coating. Get the lip. I always think it's so important to get the lip. Really takes it to the next level. I'll also do this vinyl strip for you guys, but you can also see how glossy this car is. I just absolutely love it. Ceramic coating. I used Meguiar's quick detailer, which has like a SiO2 in it. I made a review of that as well if you guys want to check that out. I think it's just as good as Reload and Beadmaker, but that's my opinion. I have to do some more testing as well, but really happy with Meguiar's ceramic lineup right now. Really doing great things with their formulas. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think this is great product. Really easy to apply since it's a spray form. I'll go ahead and do this whole side right here. Just a little bit will do ya. Make sure I'm on the right side and just wipe it down. Really nice and shiny. Do the mirror right here a little bit. Then I'll go back over to the other side and do my coating. Tires, applicator. Alright, got the applicator. You can see it out here, really slick finish. They literally look brand new. I'm really happy with this product so far. Once again, just a couple of sprays. Won't get it all the way around. Get another groove. And you can see the difference. So that's the unfinished part, and this is the finished part. Really, really great product. I'm really pleased with this. Wizards. Like I told you guys, Wizards is actually my favorite product for bug spray because it makes getting the bugs off your car simple. It's called Bug Release. I did a review of it as my favorite product, and this product right here by Wizards is no short of that. Nothing short of that product. Absolutely phenomenal. I didn't do the lip on this one. Let me get that. And you can see the vinyl piece. I mean, it's a little bit shiny, but I mean, it looks brand new. It looks like I just picked this car up. I'm really pleased with it. But yeah, so this is the second coat. I might even do a third coat. But I mean, it looks like a brand new tire. Honestly, it looks like a brand new tire. Make sure that your tires are clean. I forgot to do the rust inhibitor. I actually have a technique to stop your rotors from rusting. I forgot to do it on my last wash. So when I go and use the brakes, these are gonna look awful. Let me do my, like this. There we go. Go all the way around with it. It's also my favorite applicator pad by Adams. Really great. Great applicator pad. I'm gonna move the car just a little bit so I get the flat spots. Let me do that. But yeah, guys, I mean, I'm not gonna waste any more of you guys' time. This is the Wizards Tire and Vinyl Shine. Really pleased with this product. I also did it on the sides here. Side skirts, it does like a UV protection, really good for it. Safe for your tires. If you're thinking about picking up this product, I would strongly do so. I really highly recommend it. I think it's just as good as the VRT here, which does the same stuff. Oh, this is not my favorite VRT. This is from Adams. Does pretty good. It's kind of thick. The product I was referring to, it's right here. Chemical Guys. VRP. Vinyl rubber plastic. This is my favorite tire dressing. Oh my god, look at that. But the Wizards might have beat it. I mean, the look that's just giving right now is incredible. Absolutely incredible. Really pleased with this Wizards product. But VRP is only $8. Links in the description below to all my products, as I have a big arsenal of them. I use a lot of different things, test a lot of things for you guys and for myself. But yeah, the Wizards right there, I mean, you can see it looks absolutely phenomenal. Really pleased with that. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, you want to see me use this or any other products, go ahead and comment below and I'll be sure to do that. I'm always happy to help you guys and you know, do this picky thing together. As I'm not the only picky person. Picky Garage, we're all picky about our cars. But as always, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.